Yesterday was Apple's Glow Time event, and now we have the accessories for the iPhone 16 series, so let's talk about it. The first one I want to talk about is the new fine woven wallet, and while this isn't new exactly, it was released in new colors. Now, we didn't get fine woven for any iPhone 16 case. We only got updates to the wallet lineup, which I did think was pretty interesting. I went with the deep blue color, it's called, and this is what it looks like. Now, it has this very nice muted blue to it, and it almost looks black in some lightings, but I did also order a black one, so make sure you're subscribed for that, because I'm genuinely not sure which one I personally want to replace my leather one. Now, this is my current leather wallet, and as you can tell, it has definitely seen some better days. It's all scratched up. It even has tape over the top of it now because of the fact that it has completely shredded all over my cards and has dyed them all black because, well, that's just kind of what happens with leather over the time, and with how old this is, I'm genuinely not surprised that it's finally time to replace it. So this is what it looks like on an iPhone 13. This does work with any iPhone that has MagSafe, and when you connect it, you get the iPhone animation. Because this iPhone is not on iOS 18, you do not get the color matched animation, although I will be interested to see if Apple adds those or not, because of the fact that fine woven was apparently stopped being manufactured earlier this year. So now that we have the new wallet out of the way, let's talk about iPhone cases. So we have a 16 Pro in silicone and clear for the 16 Pro Max. So we're going to start with the silicone one because I feel this is going to be the one to show the capture button the best. So inside the box, you're always presented with the silicone case just like this. Now, because this is for the Pro and the iPhone 16 series, it does have the action button as well as the volume button and the power button, all covered by silicone, just like all of Apple's cases with the closed bottom, with, of course, it's open for USB-C. Now, we do have the new capture button right here. And I do have to say, it does look very nice. It honestly reminds me of the iPad Air Touch ID, I feel like. And if this is what it's going to be across the line with the cases, I do think it's going to be very nice. So it is the camera control button, not capture button like the rumors initially thought. Although personally, I'm just going to keep calling it the capture button because that's what I know it as. But, you know, you can feel it. It doesn't click in like the physical buttons would, I feel. It almost indents a little, as the button's supposed to be capacitive. We don't really know as we haven't had the phone yet, but you can definitely feel like if you were to swipe on it and, you know, tap on it like Apple wants you to, how the case would just make it a great experience. And that's something I like from Apple accessories, as you're not going to have this weird shaped cutout that some companies are doing where they literally are putting a hole on the side of your phone cases. But now let's talk about the clear for the Pro Max, because this is the one I feel you'll be able to see it better on. So for the clear for the Pro Max, if we open this up, just like every other Apple case, you're presented with it right here. Now, this is my first time. Now, this is the Pro Max case, and if you look at it right away, you can see it. The capture button does kind of stick out like a sore thumb, as it is tinted white on here, which I did find very interesting, but I do like how it does match the MagSafe ring. As someone who has been using the Apple Clear cases since the iPhone 11 series, I personally was never bothered by the fact that it had the white ring on the back, mainly because of the fact that I'm always using a MagSafe wallet, or if I'm on a MagSafe charger or something like that. It never bothered me. It's just there, and it doesn't look bad anymore because I feel like it's been around for so long. Initially, when it came out, I did skip it for the 12 series just because of the fact that it had the white ring, but MagSafe has been such a great invention and addition to the iPhone that, frankly, I don't care about it anymore. But let's get back to the capture button. So just like on the silicone case, it has that same kind of iPad Air-like texture to it, and almost looks glass if you look at it in bright lighting. But if we look at the clear case, it definitely stands out more, but I honestly don't think that's a problem to some people now. But I definitely think these are going to be very nice cases, and once that camera controls button is truly released, it's going to be so nice. But let me know what your thoughts are and what you picked up for your iPhone 16 Pro accessories. I know I got my new case now and even my new Apple Wallet, so I'm more than ready for when the iPhone 16 is released in the upcoming week. So make sure you're subscribed for my full hands-on when it's released, because I'm going to be sure to go in depth about that camera controls button, because I definitely think that is going to be a button I'm using a lot. And while you're down there, if you want to hit like and subscribe, I'd appreciate that. But I want you to remember that today's a good day to make a great day, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Peace.